Okay, so I saw this cool recipe on TikTok, and it was dates and chocolate, and it's supposed to mimic like a Snickers. I don't like Snickers bars because it has so many different preservatives and stuff like that, but I do miss the taste of a Snickers bar, so I thought, why not try this recipe? So our local Walgreens carries dates, and I saw it, and then Tony's Chocolate. They are the most sustainable type of chocolate brand that I've ever seen. If you have seen them in your local store, try to support them. They really try to make sure that they make their cocoa sustainable. Anyway, so I was like, okay, well, let me try this recipe the easiest way I knew how. Hot water can melt chocolate without curdling it. So, you just melt it in some hot water. And I did mine in a kettle. And then the dates, I just rinsed them off because, of course, I want to make sure that I kind of give it a rinse. And just dip it in the chocolate. Oh my God. And we had to see if the kids would approve.
Mm-hmm. Give me a thumbs in, Cody, if you like it. Wait a minute, I got fish by my face.
You approve? Yeah.
No,
No, it's good. Mommy did good, huh? You approve? Oh, Coach said no camera. You you approve? You approve? You like it? It's good? No.
Have another one.
I did. Now I gotta make some more. I ain't making no more.
Why not?